Are you looking for the best office chair covers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best office chair covers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Melaluxe Office Chair Cover. Known for its premium quality, this office chair cover comes enabled with a specific backrest and seat covers, ensuring minimal damage to your chair. Also, to add up to its smoothness levels, the reusable factor of this cover is a real plus point. The breathable polyester makes machine wash an easy feat. In fact, it certainly comes in 5 different kinds of print, the solid and rhombic being the most prominent ones. At number 4, Jiyaru Office Chair Cover. With spandex and polyester being the combination for its chair cover, this product is one of the best from Jiyaru. Added to its already strong name, this chair cover has its width and height ranging up to 19 inches. On the other hand, the seats range up to 20 inches respectively. Clearly, it gives you more than a reason to make a buy. At number 3, Seiyue Office Chair Cover. This chair cover from the famed house of Seiyue not only maintains its color quality but also ensures that even after machine washing, its shape is retained. With floral prints becoming the prime factor in these covers, it is the variety of colors that matter. At number 2, BTSKY Office Chair Cover. Standard size office chairs are a general affair, but getting a proper chair cover is one hell of a problem. To solve the same comes this cover from BTSKY. It not only can be customized but also has a smooth fabric. As a result, ensures its sustainability and style even after a comparatively longer time span. At number 1, Melaluxe Stretch Office Chair Cover. Another one from the domain of Melaluxe. This product is not just in news courtesy to its stretchable factor but also due to its adept stitching at junctures. Suitable for machine wash, this is recycled easily. Furthermore, it is specifically guaranteed to be both anti-slip and anti-wrinkle. It is known for its specified elastic edge that ensures correct fitting and has 4 ties added to it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.